You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll land.
Love this one from Jamie Fon.
Oh, this is a tea leaf.
You saw a 7?
Yeah.
What?
That's 7? Yeah.
This is 11. Look at this one.
See, 7.
Oh, but hold on a bit.
Hey, it's so big.
You see, I think it's 11.
Yeah. I should put my leg in there. So 7.5.
Take it like that. Take it out.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is so wild and brilliant. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is wild and brilliant.
That's actually. It's Friday night. They've also come to play.
Chocolate
Okay.
with the rice.
Yeah.
You want to do the same?
One eternity later.
I'm home. This is everything I got. Yeah. So now I'm going to pack everything into where it's supposed to be, and then I'll step out. And then I'll go and wash my face and say my prayers. I don't think I'll be turning on my camera till tomorrow. Alright. Hey. Am I Rama? Anyway, I fixed one eye already. Maybe that one got. I don't know if you can see. Now let's fix this eye together. I want to fix my eyelashes before I go do my nails, because once I do their nails, I am useless. Very much useless. This side I'm going to be using 13 mm, and then for this side I'm going to use 10 mm. So 13 for this and then 10 for here. Let's begin. quickly, let's go. Babe, are you done? Everything's good. There you go. Fix it. Easy, baby.
I beg get out, you too fine.
Done with the lash. Look at it. You're beautiful. My wife is beautiful.
My wife is beautiful. You are breathtaking. You may be too beautiful to marry me. You respect.
Oh my god. This time I think it took me less than 10 minutes. I mean less than 5 minutes. I was just like shoot, and I was done. Experience. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing at the moment is 6:25. I think I'll just do my nails tomorrow and then I'll pack. And who is the birthday girl again? Oh my god, I'm messing up. I think I'll just edit this part out. It's time to fix my nails and I'm going to be using this press-on nails I got from Shein. Now wait, I need to test the nails to see which will fit which finger before I put the glue. This is the finished product. Very convenient, fast, and easy for only $2. Let's unbox my birthday. Okay. Hi guys. Hey, I'm falling. It's a very beautiful day. And guess who is the birthday girl? My husband is looking at me, so I'm shy. Guys, yesterday I had some visitors and they brought me this chocolate. How cute is this? Anyways, we're going to start packing. As you can see, the place is a mess. I need to go pack everything. So, pack with me. As usual, this is the bag I'll be using. Very cute. This trench coat is so big for my bag. Hey, how do I fold it? I don't also want to wear it because it's not really that cold. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I think I'll end this vlog here and I'll see you in my next one, which is a vacation vlog. So stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way.